So here is the coffee machine. It's now in active waiting mode, which is indicated by the green light. Now I'm in menu. I can select the size. Let's select this one. Enter the programming mode. It will start blinking. Let's enter the number. Let's go with 8. If I will leave it like that, it will enter the rest mode after 5 seconds, but my setting will be saved. I entered 8, double press, it started brewing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is done. And if I will select another cup and start brewing, I can long press and it will enter the programming mode. Double click to cancel, and I'm in menu again.